Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 3 part 2 video where we will be discussing 20 important multiple choice question from the chapter 3 which is ecosystem and biodiversity for the subject environmental studies. So let's begin. The area to which a species is biologically adapted to live is known as niche, habitat, succession, or all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, habitat. Next, a set of organisms that resemble one another in appearance and behavior is called as, is it exons, prions, species, or none of the above? Correct answer is option C, species. Next, habitat of dogfish is river, pond, lake, or sea. Correct answer is option D, sea. The destruction of habitat of plants and animals is called as endemism, endangered species, habitat loss, flood. Correct answer is habitat loss, option C. Next, each organism in an ecosystem is at a specific feeding stage called as climax level, producer level, trophic level, or consumptive level. Correct answer is trophic level, option C. Next, zoos are examples for in situ conservation, in vivo conservation, ex situ conservation, or ex vivo conservation. And the correct answer is ex situ conservation, option C. Moving on, how is the atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere connected? By hydrological cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, or carbon cycle? Correct answer is carbon cycle, option D. An ecosystem consists of green plants and animals, green plants and decomposers, producers and consumers, green plant, animals, decomposers, and abiotic environment. The correct answer is option D. Moving on, an ecosystem gradually merges with an adjoining one through a transitional zone is called as ecological niche, ecological footprint, ecotone, or biodiversity loss. Correct answer is ecotone, option C. Next, driving force in an ecosystem is plants, producers, solar energy, biomass energy. Correct answer is solar energy, option C. Which of the following is a possible producer in an ecosystem? Option A, plants, B, animals, C, humans, D, fish. Answer is plants. A tropic level refers to areas in the tropics, an organism's position in a food chain, organism position in an ecosystem, an organism position in biome. Correct answer is option C, an organism's position in an ecosystem. Level of biodiversity include all but not genetics, species, population, ecosystem. Answer is population. Which ecological pyramid is always upright? Pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy, pyramid of number and biomass. Answer is pyramid of energy. The type of diversity including all different kinds of living things found in a certain habitat is called as species diversity, genetic diversity, ecosystem diversity, population diversity. And the correct answer is species diversity. Next, conservation of biodiversity outside the natural habitat is called as ex situ, in situ, conservation, in vivo. Correct answer is ex situ. An ecosystem may not undergo changes because it is in a state of homeostasis. It has plants and animals both. It gets solar energy continuously. The decomposers are present in it. Correct answer is it is in a state of homeostasis. The primary producers in a forest ecosystem are chlorophyll containing trees and plants, herbivorous, carnivorous, bacteria and other microorganisms. And the answer is chlorophyll containing trees and plants. Energy flow in an ecosystem is always unidirectional, cyclic, reversible, multidirectional. Answer is unidirectional. Study of interrelationship between organisms and their environment is ecology, ecosystem, photogeography, ethology. Correct answer is ecology. So this were the 20 important questions from chapter 3, ecosystem and biodiversity. Very soon we will be discussing multiple choice questions from chapter 4, pollution as well. Thank you.